Hello there, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're going to learn how we can set up new dynamic shortcuts in MoneyCoach. So, if you tap the Create Shortcut button, you will see the transaction list. Then, if you choose a transaction from the list and tap the Create Shortcut, you will create a shortcut that, once tapped, it will create a duplicate of that same transaction. However, now the shortcuts can be dynamic. So the next time you tap on this shortcut, you only have to enter the amount, and that's it. Now, if you tap the Food dynamic shortcut, the transaction model will pop up, and all of the details like account, category, subcategory, description, hashtags, payees, etc. will be ready for you to go. All you have to do is enter a new amount and save this new transaction, and that's it. You can also create dynamic shortcuts for transfers, and this makes it easy for the next time you transfer between your different accounts. You can make them dynamic, and the next time you tap on the shortcut, you just need to enter a different amount and save that transfer, and that's it. We are so excited to bring this powerful feature in MoneyCoach. As always, thanks for watching, leave your comments down below, subscribe to our channel, and have a nice day.